Hello ladies and gentlemen, today is Saturday 27th of August 2022 and the time is 3:37 p.m. Welcome again to our weekend backtesting session. So today we're gonna start backtesting the pair gold XAUUSD from 1st June to 3rd of June, which is the first week of June 2022. Okay, let's get started. However, I would like to announce that for this week we're gonna take the trade in slightly different manner from the way we always been doing it. Instead of using a single layer, we're gonna use multiple layer, and for this trade we're gonna hold on a session. We're gonna use different account size, and I need to redo this simulation session because the balance is a little bit too small. It's only 100. So I'm gonna close this session and I'm gonna start new simulation and change it to June 2022, the first week. So we're gonna do this first 3 day. The pair is XAUUSD. Starting balance we're gonna put 50,000. Okay, that will be our starting account balance. We're gonna put commission. I'll put maybe $5 per lot, and we're gonna have 100 days of history and start simulation. Okay, let me double check. 50k. The date again, why I keep coming back to that. August, July, June. Okay, so here we go. Time on chart GMT. Alright, let's start the simulation. We're using M15. That's our entry time frame. M30 for reference. H1 our SND zone. H4 for our SNR level, and we're gonna have 4 chart. Okay, and then we make the template so that it's easy to see. Change the template. Default. Alright, so here we are. We're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna start trading during New York session only, and we want to see how's the performance based on only New York session. So New York session will start at 13 hours. So what we're going to do is we're going to change to H1 and we forward the bar to 13 hours. Okay, so this is 6 p.m. My time. So I will go to H4, change the chart to line, and I'm gonna mark the SNR level. Here's the SNR level, pretty clear for today's trading day. I'll not take this because it looks very near, and the next one will be done here. Alright, clone this and we go to H1 and mark our SND level. So here's our SND level, and then the next one will be here. Okay, this is the next one. So SND level here, and of course we have one more down here. Sorry, it's a bit hard to see, but I believe we can figure out from the chart. which is this one. Okay, so clone this, then we go to M30, looking at the price now, and also M15. Okay, so currently if we look at the higher time frame, such as H1, you can see price is going bearish. So with this trading methodology, we want to be able to sell when price goes down, when it reach the SND level and then it go down. So let's play the chart on M15. You can see candle are still very bullish. Okay, so we have the first bearish sign. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open a trade with 0.02 lot, and I'm gonna sell. And what I will do is, I'm not sure if you can run script in this mode. Sell limit. Okay, so every 5 pips. Let me see, does it have the sell limit? Or try 50 pips. So okay, 50 pips, and then 100 pips, sell limit 150 pips, 200 pips, 250 pips, 100 pips, 400 pips. So here is our sell limit, and we have sell stop 50 pip, sell stop 100 pip, sell stop. Okay, so we are expecting price to make a reversal and go down. So let's play the chart. It's about 100. I remember the good number is about 100 ticks. Yes. And now we in the trade. We have a couple of trades. Okay, and we are aiming at this level. If we break below this, we'll have a high probability that the price will continue to go down. So okay, currently the profit is $45, and this candle is pretty big. I would like to close all the profitable trade. Okay, if I close all, what happened? Okay, so you just close the open trade. Close all. Okay, so if I click close all, it will only close the open position, which is good. Okay, so we let it go again. We'll see how it react. Now price is making a pullback, so I would like to sell again. I'll sell, and then I'll do a sell limit again. 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350. Okay, now we let the chart play. So price for pulling up now at 6, this is 6:03 p.m. oh sorry, 7:05 p.m. and we are in a couple of trade. Again, price look like it tried to retest that zone. So I can see price have tried to come here a couple of times and it's not able to break this zone. So I would like to secure again this profit. Okay, and I want to see how the price moves. Okay, so again, price make a pullback. I'll do a sell again. Okay, so let's play the chart. We only in one position for now, and price make a pullback again. So I want to see how this M15 candle close. Strong pullback it seems. Rejection here. We want to be able to see that the price break this low. Okay, so now price break this low mean there's a high probability that price will continue to go down. However, there will be a rejection around this area if we look from this chart. I'll let it go a little bit, and I can see price keep pulling back, so I'll close this position first. Okay, and I'll create a sell limit 50, 100. Sorry. Okay, and let's play the chart. So price pull back and take our order, and then it continue to go bearish. It's only like look like only take one order. I would like to have one more position over here. Yeah. Okay, so we're in two position now. So now it's 7:30 p.m. This is the NYSE open. So I would like to secure these two positions first, because usually what happen is at 7:30 price will continue to go up, make a pullback before it continue to go down. Okay, so at the same time I'll add a sell limit. Okay, all right, and let's make the price go. Oh my god, it looked like it immediately tanked without taking our orders, but be calm. If that happen, that's fine. If we pull back to this zone, I would like to have another sell limit there. Okay, 100 sell limit. So if it close above this zone, this H4 SNR level, I will close the position. So now price making a pullback, probably reaction to this zone over here, and okay, looking at that's a minor pullback. And at 8 p.m, almost 8 p.m. now, 7:53, 5 minutes. Before 8 o'clock. So it's 8 o'clock. Price continue to go bullish. Let's see how it look like on the M30. M30 is still bearish because it does not it does not break above this candle, and if this one continue to go bearish, that will be a very good selling opportunity for us. We want to be careful about this level, because if price broke above this, although the big trend is bearish, we want to look for opportunity to get out at least at break even once it break above this. Okay, so now is 8:30 p.m. 8:40 p.m. and price seems to make a support on M30. It seems we continue to go bullish on M15, so this trade is gonna be quite a painful trade for us, because we are currently in a huge drawdown, which is about 150, but that's way less than 1% of the account, so that's fine. So we can see the rejection of this zone on the M15, which is a good sign for us, but we are not sure if it's gonna continue to go bullish or bearish at this point of time. So looking at this situation, before the price continue to go up, I'll put some limit order. I think it's 150 from there. Okay, 200. So remember, if price broke above this, we need to look for opportunity to get out at break even or minimal loss. Until then, we still look for reasonable decent profit. Okay, still a rejection, but we are still not yet reached the supply zone here. This is supply zone up here. Let's look at M30. So M30 is still a bullish movement unless this candle can close below this one, break low of this, then we can see that the bearish trend is gonna resume. Look like that candle does not close below, although it look like it's gonna close as bearish. So this is a 9 p.m. Sorry, this is 10 p.m. 10 p.m. candle. 9 p.m. is this one, and it continued to make a higher high after this. It create another support here. So we have seen one support here, another support here. We need to see the price go close below the support so that it will continue to go bearish. Okay, that's good. So as you can see, price now continue to go bearish. So at this point of time, we are still okay to hope for profit from this trade, because it's not yet break the higher high over here, the previous high on the H1 time frame, this one. So it's just a pullback to this support become resistant level. Okay, let's look at M30 again. So currently we are at 200, about $200 drawdown from our trade. So 22 0.44 lot. Yep. 0.4 lot. There's a rejection here and price punch above, but continue again to make a pullback. Let's see how this candle close. If this candle close above, we have to be careful, although it's not yet, how to say it, not yet break above the supply level. So current drawdown is 230, 240, like that. And we want to see at this point in time, we can see price is making a rejection zone up there. Exactly something we want to see. When the bullish movement is getting weak, there's many rejection to the top. And let's look at lower time frame. M15 it's almost look the same with M30, but H1, yeah, H1 also a huge rejection of this supply level. Okay, so we still can hold the trade because it does not, we can hold the trade for profit and hoping for profit because it does not break above the supply zone up there. Okay, so price go down more beyond midnight already. So this is like 1 a.m. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just next bar, see how it move. So at this point of time, we manage the trade with script. So I'm looking at getting out from this trade at minimal profit because it has been undrawn for a long time. So at 30, so now the trade is in quite a significant drawdown, 1% now, and we need to look at, okay, so now I would like to add more cells. And we will definitely go, if you close above here, we will look for minimal loss exit. Okay, price rejecting the, oops, sorry. Okay, so now this is a dangerous situation. As you can see here, we can choose to close the trade and lose 2% or wait for a pullback. Let's see how it looks like on a higher time frame. So there is this supply zone which is broken, and as you can see here, price is currently at the high of this one. We can, I would like to add a bit more position. And definitely we need to look for opportunity to get out at minimal loss. Okay, so this is basically 6:30 p.m. the next day, and price just punched through that level, as you can see here. we are about 2.5% drawdown. 2.5% drawdown. I'm looking to cut at 2%. Okay, so here we have here on the third day, this on Thursday, this is Thursday. This Thursday we was on the drawdown all day long, but currently we are about minus 1.5% drawdown. We'll see how the price close here. Looking at the lower time frame, there is a supply zone here, and if this candle close below, we probably hold, or if not, then we would cut the loss. So looking at this situation, I will look to close the trade on the next bar, which is this one. So I'll close all the position here. So the account now is currently at minus 1.23%. Okay, so we decided to close because the drawdown is too long to the Friday. And what we do is we're gonna open a new trade. Okay, we let the market do its thing. Oh my god. Yep, that would be a huge profit if we don't. That would be a good. Wow. So let's see in higher time frame. As you can see here, price actually went quite high, but it did not break this level. So this is a SBR level. It broken here, which is very tricky, to be frank. I'm gonna close all this trade first. And then I'll like to have a sell limit, anticipating price gonna pull back and continue to go down. Okay. So currently we are overall account is minus 1.21% drawdown because we closed here just now, else we could have reduced the drawdown, but looking from the thing, we probably just at the break-even state if we have not closed. So we're gonna target here, we close when the price reach there, and we can be done for the week. Okay, so I'm gonna decide to close all the trade because there's no bottom wick here, and that's it. Now we are at minus 1.19% drawdown, about $600. Okay, we'll continue again next week with this new experiment and see how it goes. Okay, bye for now.